Once I've collected those fares, I'll leave you in peace to enjoy the river and surrounding area. Spoil that on the way back down, giving you a bit of a picture. Pointing out the places of interest, a little bit about the river. Also, last point with regards to the fares, change. Struggling all day with them. Please do have a look. Now we have a small cafe bar facility. I can offer you today tea and coffee at £1.50. The Galaxy Hot Chocolate for £2, cans of Coke, cans of Diet Coke, and bottles of still mineral water, again for £1.50.
Okay.
If you feel it's getting to that hour of the day, I've got Beck's beer in bottles, chilled in the fridge, and I have a South African dry white wine served by the glass. The alcoholic drinks are £3. I've also got pins with some trimmings, again for £3. If any refreshments are required, just let me know when I collect the fares, and I'll bring your drinks over to you. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask, otherwise enjoy your trip.